Welcome to the InnoQuotient Clients area. In this video, we will show you the Elements section in Outputs of Evolution. Here, we will deep in the evolution level of our ICIs by elements. Remember that for IQ, elements are the most valuable level of the model because only by taking action on them, specific aspects will be improved that will lead to changes. In this section, we will be focused on the positioning of elements pursuant to their ranking. The left table shows the elements from previous assessments, ordered by ranking. And here we have the average obtained. The right table shows the ranking of elements from the current assessment. It has also the average obtained. The evolution shows two aspects to bear in mind on the current ranking of elements. In the first place, the repositioning of elements. Here we can see how hunger has climbed one position while greed has gone down 5. This information is announced with the evolution of averages. We can see that in both cases, average has improved. Therefore, going up or down in position is not significant itself. It will depend on the evolution of averages, and above all, on the work that has been performed with the teams. To interpret correctly the evolution outputs, it is vital to know what actions have been implemented in the last month and what are the transformation expectations. On the other hand, at selector level, we can focus on the analysis of the top 10 or bottom 10. And this is all of the Elements section. Thank you for your attention. If you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuotient channel in YouTube. Thank you.